quiet morning, Souso the tuxedo cat spots something shiny. What's that? It's an ice cube, sliding across the glossy floor all by itself. Souso creeps closer, tail swaying, eyes glowing with curiosity. Almost got it! Splash! The ice cube spins away, faster than ever. Souso chases it, paws slipping on the smooth floor. Suddenly, it's gone. Souso blinks, sniffing the empty floor. Where did it go? A single drop of water glistens in the sunlight. Souso tilts her head, then gently taps it. The water sparkles like a tiny gem. Souso smiles softly. Sometimes, what vanishes isn't lost forever. It just changes.